Hello students, today we will start with chapter number 1, where to look from, page number 1 in your textbook. On this page, a self-experience of the student is given. Let us see that. Our teacher told us to draw a picture of a car. We all drew the car differently. Next day, when we showed our pictures to each other, we were very excited. But Anshul started laughing. He was looking at Dheeraj's drawing of a car. Anshul said, "It looks like a small box kept in a bigger one." Then Anshul showed his drawing to Dheeraj. Both of them drew the picture of the same car, but the drawings looked different. See, two pictures are given, Dheeraj's and Anshul's. Both of them have drawn same car, but the drawing looks different. Dheeraj said he looked at the car from the terrace. Do you think his funny drawing is right? Have you looked at the things from different sides? Do they look same or different? Look at the picture drawn here. How does the table look from the side? Which picture is from the top? Two pictures of table are given here. Yes, you are right. This is from the top. Some pictures are drawn below. Imagine how these things will look if seen from the top. Pressure cooker, Hawaii chappal, watermelon, cupboard. They will look like this. See this picture very carefully. A cat is peeping into a classroom. Can you help her find out where the teacher is? Here is the teacher. Here are some pictures. Find out from where you have to look to see the things this way. Staircase. This is the side view of the staircase. Another staircase, and this is front view of the staircase. Table. Top view of the table. Chair, side view of the chair. Pencil, top view of the pencil. Bus, side view of the bus. Draw top view of a few things and ask your friends to guess what they are. See, here you cannot ask your friends, so you can ask to your family members nowadays, as you are in lockdown. You can draw something like this, a round table. This is a bed from the top view and a tree from the top view. You can draw anything you like, or you can draw very easily, and you can ask to your family members. Now page number 3. Have you ever met Rangoli? My friend Meenakshi makes beautiful floor patterns. I am Meenakshi. I belong to Tamil Nadu. We make kolam patterns every morning. They are made by using dots. See, in Tamil Nadu, they make rangoli every day, every morning out of their house, and the specific rangoli is called kolam pattern, which is made by using dots. So you can also try and use the dot given below to make patterns. Two examples have been drawn here. See, in your textbook it is given You can use the dot grid on the right side and you can draw your own rangoli pattern. Some more patterns are also given, so make other pattern yourself. Copy these shapes on the dot grid. Note that some lines in the shapes are straight and some are not. You have to copy down this. Use the dot grid given below to draw your own designs and shape. One more dot grid is given on this page number 5 and you have to use it to draw your own design, right? I'm not giving you any example for that. Complete these figures to make squares and rectangle. I'm repeating, complete these figures to make squares and rectangle. आपको square और rectangle ही बनाने हैं. So some incomplete figures are given here. Let us complete it. A rectangle is made. Square. कितने लोग यहाँ पे क्या करेंगे? ट्राइंगल बना देंगे. तो ये ट्राइंगल नहीं बनाना है, इसको स्क्वायर बनाना है. Another square. A square, a rectangle and a square. So this exercise you can complete it in your textbook, page number 5. Now page number 6. On the dot grid given above, draw the following. I'm sure you will enjoy it. See, you have to draw a kite, a leaf, a flower, a boat, a star and a pot on the dot grid. So you can draw something like this. You may draw something different from the what I have drawn, but make sure that you are drawing a kite, leaf, flower, boat, star and a pot. Now page number 7. You'll enjoy this story. Girl is asking to a painter, can you make my picture? The painter said, yes, sure. I charge rupees 200 for it. He asked rupees 200 for drawing a picture. After a while, the painter showed her the picture. Amina, how do you like it? The painter asked the girl. Amina, how do you like it? But this is only half. Amina said that the picture you have drawn is only half. The other half is exactly the same. So just put a mirror to get the complete picture. So the painter replied that the other half is exactly the same. So you just put a mirror to get the complete picture. And he showed by putting a mirror also. Now can I have my money? Now he is asking his money. Amina gave him 100 rupees. Amina was very smart, so she gave 100 rupee note, right? Half of the what the painter asked for. Painter asked for 200 rupees. She gave 100 rupee note. Now painter said, but this is only half the money. Now Amina replied, the other half is exactly same, so just put a mirror next to the note to get the full money. Isn't it funny? She is smart, yeah. Page number 8. The painter had made many such pictures in which he drew only one half of the things. Draw the other half of these pictures and find out what these things are. Try doing it with a mirror. See, you are at home, so you can also try with the small mirror. You have to put mirror on exactly half of this picture and you will see the full picture, and you have to draw also. So when you will complete your picture, it will look something like this: a butterfly, a diya, a mask, face, a star. Can we repeat the painter's trick while drawing pictures of the following? No, we cannot, because this the painter's tricks can only be repeated for the things which can be cut into the mirror half, right? So if you ask the painter to draw things which cannot be divided into similar mirror halves, then he cannot play the trick. So draw 3 more things which do not have similar mirror halves. So I have put compass box, your math magic textbook and pen. You can draw anything you like. Now mirror halves. Look at the pictures given below. Does the dotted line divide each picture into a similar mirror half? See the first picture, the dotted line is dividing the shape into 2 similar mirror halves. Even second triangle, the dotted line is dividing the picture into 2 similar mirror half, but in the third it is not dividing, right? Fourth, it is not dividing into mirror half. Fifth, it is dividing. Sixth, not. Seventh, that is B alphabet, it is dividing. Eighth, that is T alphabet, it is dividing. Rest you can do it by your own. Give some more examples. See below it 4 boxes are given in which you can draw. I have drawn this. You can draw anything you like. You have to also draw a dotted line dividing the each shape into a mirror half. Now page number 10. Using a dotted line, can you divide the following picture into 2 similar halves? So I have already done it for you. Picture which cannot be divided into mirror half, I have not put dotted line on it. Page number 11. You have to recognize alphabets. Can you guess these alphabet from their halves? The first one is A, second one is C, third one is H, fourth one is quite tricky. Someone will write J, but it is not J, it is U, then B, and the last one is also tricky. Most students write correctly, but some students write it wrong. It is not K, it is X. Let's move on to another exercise. Using such letters, we can also make words which have similar halves. Look at here. Guess the words by looking at their half. The first word is how, second one is wax, third one is cooked, COOKED, fourth one that you have to guess, right? Complete it.